Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about stock market. What is NSE and Nifty 50? NSE is nothing but National Stock Exchange. Nifty 50 means the index. That means the top 50 companies represents Nifty 50. There are around 5,000 companies listed in NSE, but still these top 50 companies, based on some criteria and conditions, Nifty 50 will will give priority, and they can include some stocks and they can remove some stock whenever they want, but these 50 stocks will represent this 50, Nifty 50. So what is the latest value of, of Nifty 50? We will see here. I can see that 11,464.3 it has opened today, and it has closed at 11,470. Okay, and it has gained 82.75 points. And if you come here, if you want to know what are the top 50 companies in Nifty 50, you can check it here. Bharti Airtel, JSW Steel, and Hindalco, Tata Steel, Asian Paint, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, SBI, Hindustan Unilever, Dr. Reddy's, and likewise you can check all the top 50 companies in Nifty 50. Okay, if you come to if you want to know, I will explain the tabs here. Symbol means the company. ITC means Indian Tobacco Company. It is a symbol for trading or investing. ITC, this is a stock. ITC is a symbol for Indian Tobacco Company. And open price means 191. That means it has opened at 191 rupees today at 9:15 a.m. and highest means it is the highest price it went today from 9:15 to 3:30. It is the highest price it went today, and lowest price today it has made low of 188.25, and previous close, this is the previous day closing price, and the latest price is 191.3. this is the latest traded price, LTP. This is percentage change. Change means percentage change, how much it has changed compared to yesterday. You can see that previous close is 191.10 and latest traded price is 191.30. so the change is 20 paisa. So this is the change, and if you convert into percentage, it will show it here, 10.1 percentage. Okay, this volume means number of shares traded today. This is the number. You can check it like 3,97,79,316. okay, and the value is in lakhs. You can check it here. This is the value, 75,596 lakhs. Okay, and 52-week high means 266.30. this is the highest value it has made in the last 52 weeks. This is like you can say that it is a 1-year trend. Last 1 year it has made high of 266.3, and 52-week low, that means the least price it has made is 134 rupees. So if you compare like that, this is the, and today's chart it will show like this. And if anyone want to invest in stock market, if especially for beginners, if you are a beginner and you want to invest in stock market, means you have to check the top 50 companies in Nifty. You have to invest in that companies. That is suggestible in that only, because there are so many companies. As I said that there are 5,000 companies in NSE listed in NSE, but still for a beginner, I am saying, why I am saying, even though you have made a profit or loss, it doesn't matter, but you will be in safe side. That means you will get confidence over trading or investing here. So I will explain you what are the things you have to consider before investing in stock market. And before that, if you don't have any Demat account, please open a Demat account. I have given the link in description also, and you can check it and you can register. Okay, and coming to that, based on that, if you want to, some people may like that I like this sector, I am interested in this sector. So there are sectors, that means Nifty 50 will give a weightage That means based on weightage only, the stocks also will perform. The stocks will you can see the stocks based on the performance of that. If you check it, Nifty has given for financial services 33.16%, and for IT it has given 16.11%. For consumer goods it has given 12.64, oil and gas 16.18. Like this, telecom 3.2%, pharma 3.18, metals, power, media and entertainment services, fertilizers, pesticides, cement and cement products, and even construction. So if you are interested in suppose IT, and which stock is having more weightage in Nifty 50, if you want to know which stock is having more weightage in IT, means Infosys having more weightage in Nifty 50, that is almost 7.56%, and HCL is having 1.64, and TCS is having 5.12, and Tech Mahindra is having 0.9%, Wipro 0.89%. And if you are interested in consumer goods, you can check if you are like DMart, Hindustan Unilever Limited is there. So 4.22% is for ITC, this is 3.62%, Asian Paint 1.65, Nestle India 1.26, Titan 0.93, Britannia, like this. You can check whatever you want. Oil and gas, you can check the oil and gas. Reliance have a 14% weightage in oil and gas. This is the highest weightage in oil and gas. This is the highest weightage given by Nifty 50. So for automobile, you can check it in automobile. You can check automobile also. Maruti 1.78%, M&M 1.24%, Hero MotoCorp 1.74%, Bajaj Auto 0.84%, Eicher Motor 0.61%. Like this, you have to check. And after checking weightage in Nifty 50, you have to compare the mutual funds also. In mutual funds, you have to check which mutual fund is having the highest weightage in the accordingly. What if you have chosen financial, means you have to check the financial sector which is having more weightage. That means we have seen in financial it is HDFC Bank. So now if you see holdings in Axis Blue Chip Fund, we have we will check it here also. In financial, they have given 33.55%. In that, which stock is having more, means 9.1% is having HDFC Bank. So like this, you have to compare 2 to 3 mutual funds. Then we can filter the stocks and we can invest. Okay. And one more thing, and don't invest in single stock. Don't put all your money in a single stock. Please diversify your money and go with very little amount, or else do paper trading. It is better. And moreover that, and I will show you my last month earnings, and I will share your details also. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe.